All right, so brand spanky new. Well, at the time anyway. This is a Grand Highlander. We're going to show you how to take the shifter off. Why? Who the hell knows? But you start with this. Push this guy down. You're taking the pants off. Alright. And there is a clip right there. Let me get my hook on it. Get my hook on it. There you go. Let's try to pop this guy out. Oh, there she goes. Pull this guy out. Come on. Pull that guy out. And it should. Aha. There you go. Put it back in. Line the clip back up. And we're going to say like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.